7 Tango Sierra is ready to go.
Alright, Cutlass 7 Tango Sierra, roger, and continue straight ahead, make the left at Sierra 6, hold short of runway 20 center at Sierra 6.
Make the left at Sierra 6, hold short of runway 20 center at Sierra 6. 7 Tango Sierra.
Cutlass 7 Tango Sierra, I believe you checked on with it, verify information, whiskey.
Yes, I did verify I have whiskey.
Roger.
Hey, ground pilot is 412 Romeo Kilo. On Lima going to Atlantic, just cross 20 right.
412 Romeo Kilo, Nashville ground, taxi straight ahead on Lima, hold short Tango 4.
Straight ahead on Lima, hold short Tango 4, 2 Romeo Kilo.
Southwest 4281, Nashville ground, taxi park in Lima and Tango 6.
Lima Tango 6, Southwest 4281.
Fox Hotel is holding short of Sierra 4.
69 Foxtrot Hotel, roger, continue Tango 4 and Sierra 7.
Thank you, Tango 4, Sierra 7, 69 Fox Hotel.
Cutlass 2 Tango Sierra, when you're holding short of runway, contact tower, you have a good day.
We'll contact tower.
Alright, 412 Romeo Kilo, go make the right on Tango 4, cross runway 31, but hold short of Sierra 7.
Cross, Tango 4 will cross 31 and then we'll hold short of Sierra 7, 2 Romeo Kilo.
Ground Envoy 3774, heading to Tango 1.
Envoy 3774, National Ground, taxi parking, Hotel, Lima, Tango 6.
Tower Southwest 342, 20 right.
Says 342, Nashville Tower, winds are calm, runway 20 right, clear to land, anticipate a right turn off.
20 right, clear to land, we'll expect it, thanks, up to 342.
Nashville Tower 7 Tango Sierra at 20 center.
Air 107 Tango Sierra, now Sierra, roger that. There's a Falcon pulling up next to you. I'm going to let him go first. You guys are going basically the exact same destination here.
Maybe he's got a line I can hold on to.
Yeah, and maybe get there a little faster, eh? JetBlue 1074, contact departure. See you later.
Departure JetBlue 1074, good day.
Southwest 2054, turn right 1 able, taxi on Alpha, hold short of 31, this frequency.
Right on Alpha, short of 31 with you, Southwest 2054.
Southwest 1340, turn right Lima, cross 20 right, ground point under on the other side.
Right turn Lima, cross 20 right, point under on the other side, Southwest 1340.
Talking 600 Fox Hotel, Nashville. You can be ready to go. I'm going to cut you loose in front of that Cutlass.
We are ready, 69 Fox Hotel.
Air 9 Fox Hotel, roger, flighting 180, runway 20 center, clear for takeoff.
Thanks, heading 180, runway 20 center, clear for takeoff, 69 Fox Hotel.
Tower 42508 on the visual, 20 left. 42508, Nashville Tower, winds are calm, runway 20 left, clear to land.
20 left, clear to land, 42508.
Southwest 2054, you can cross runway 31, hold short of 20 right at Lima.
Cross 31, hold short 20 right at Lima, Southwest 2054.
Cutlass 7 Tango Sierra, crossing jet blast 20 center at Sierra 6, line up wait.
7 Tango Sierra, line up and wait. Watch for jet blast.
Southwest 1987, turn right at Hotel 2, country ground point under.
Hotel 2, ground point 9, Southwest 1987.
Nashville Tower, Cherokee 3918 Mike, straight in 20 right.
Air 3918 Mike, Nashville Tower, winds are calm, runway 20 right, clear to land. If you could get off at Lima, it'd be preferable.
Okay, clear to land 20 right, we'll work for Lima 3918 Mike.
Air 9 Fox Hotel, contact departure, see you later.
Contact departure, nice day, 69 Fox Hotel.
Cutlass 7 Tango Sierra, caution, wake turbulence from the Falcon, flighting 160, runway 20 center at Sierra 6, cleared for takeoff.
That was flight 160.
Affirmative.
Thank you. 7 Tango Sierra cleared for takeoff, watching for blast.
Delta 1094, Nash Tower, 20 center, full length line of wait. Just be a second. All right, that's 20 center line of wait, Delta 1094.
Tower Southwest 1177 over Kramer on the visual runway 20 left.
South 1177, Nashville Tower, winds are calm, runway 20 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 20 left, Southwest 1177.
Southwest 2054, cross runway 20 right at Lima, cut a ground point under on the other side.
Cross 20 right at Lima, ground point 9 on the other side, Southwest 2054.
Southwest 342, turn right 1 able, taxi north on Alpha, and hold short of 31 this frequency.
Alright, right turn north at Alpha, hold short of 31, Southwest 342, we'll stay with you.
There's 7 Tango Sierra, verify your squawk is going to be 5621, please.
Nashville Tower 924 Mike Charlie's checking in for 20 right.
There's 7 Tango Sierra, got you now, and contact departure on 18-4. See you later.
Over to 18-4. Thank you. Wonderful service. Appreciate it.
Number 924 Mike Charlie, Nashville Tower, winds are calm, runway 20 right, clear to land.
Clear to land.
Nashville departure Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra is at 1,700, climbing to 3.
November 107 Tango Sierra, Nashville departure, radar contact.